What are the 7 foods you should absolutely never eat if you care about your health? You might be surprised to learn that some of the most common items in your kitchen could be doing serious damage to your body. Science has repeatedly shown that certain foods are linked to chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and even cognitive decline. If you're someone who wants to live a longer, healthier life, then this is the information you need. In today's video, we're going to break down the 7 worst foods for your health, explain the science behind why they're so dangerous, and give you better alternatives so you can make smarter choices for your body and your future. Make sure to watch until the end, because some of these foods might shock you. The first food on our list is processed meats, including hot dogs, bacon, deli meats, and sausages. These products are packed with chemicals that have been directly linked to serious health risks. One of the biggest concerns is the presence of nitrates and nitrites, preservatives that are used to give processed meats their appealing color and extend their shelf life. When these compounds are exposed to high heat, such as when you cook bacon or grill hot dogs, they can turn into highly carcinogenic nitrosamines. The World Health Organization has classified processed meats as a Group 1 carcinogen, meaning there is strong evidence that they cause cancer, particularly colorectal cancer. Additionally, processed meats are loaded with sodium and saturated fats, which contribute to high blood pressure and increase the risk of heart disease. Instead of consuming these harmful meats, consider switching to unprocessed, grass-fed meats, lean poultry, or plant-based protein sources like lentils, beans, and tofu. The next food that science says you should avoid at all costs is anything containing artificial trans fats. Trans fats are the worst kind of fats for your heart, and they are commonly found in margarine, fried fast food, and certain baked goods like store-bought cookies and cakes. Unlike natural fats, which your body can process, trans fats are artificially created through a process called hydrogenation, which turns liquid oils into solid fats. The problem is that trans fats increase levels of LDL cholesterol, also known as bad cholesterol, while simultaneously decreasing HDL cholesterol, the good kind. Studies have shown that trans fats significantly raise the risk of heart disease, stroke, and inflammation throughout the body. In fact, the FDA has taken steps to ban trans fats in many countries because of their dangers. If you want a healthier alternative, choose natural fats like olive oil, avocado, and nuts, and always check ingredient labels to avoid anything that contains partially hydrogenated oils. Another food that could be wrecking your health without you realizing it is soda and sugary drinks. It's no secret that sugar is bad for you, but the amount of sugar in these drinks is absolutely staggering. A single can of soda can contain upwards of 40 grams of sugar, which is more than the recommended daily intake for an adult. The biggest issue with sugary drinks is that they cause rapid spikes in blood sugar, leading to insulin resistance and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. But that's not all. Sugar is also one of the leading causes of obesity, fatty liver disease, and metabolic syndrome. Unlike solid foods, liquid sugar doesn't trigger the same feeling of fullness, so people tend to consume way more calories than they realize. Instead of drinking soda, try sparkling water with a splash of fruit juice, herbal teas, or even just plain water infused with lemon or cucumber. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Now let's talk about something most people eat every day without even thinking about it: white bread and refined carbohydrates. These foods may seem harmless, but they can wreak havoc on your blood sugar and overall health. White bread, white rice, and processed cereals have been stripped of their fiber, meaning they digest rapidly and cause sharp spikes in blood sugar levels. Over time, this leads to insulin resistance, weight gain, and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Whole grains, on the other hand, are packed with fiber, which helps regulate digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. So, instead of choosing white bread, opt for whole grain or sprouted grain bread, and swap white rice for quinoa or brown rice. One food that might surprise you on this list is microwave popcorn, particularly the kind with artificial butter flavoring. While popcorn itself is a healthy, whole grain snack, The problem lies in the chemicals used in microwave popcorn bags and artificial flavoring. One major concern is diacetyl, a chemical that gives popcorn its buttery taste but has been linked to lung disease when inhaled in large amounts. Some microwave popcorn brands also use perfluorooctanoic acid, PFOA, a toxic substance that has been associated with cancer. The good news is, you can still enjoy popcorn. Just make it the old-fashioned way on the stove using organic kernels and a healthy oil like coconut or olive oil. Now, let's talk about farmed salmon, which is far less healthy than most people realize. While wild-caught salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, farmed salmon often contains polychlorinated biphenyls, PCBs, a type of industrial toxin that accumulates in fat cells and has been linked to cancer and hormone disruption. Farmed fish are also frequently given antibiotics to prevent disease outbreaks, which can contribute to antibiotic resistance in humans. If you want to enjoy the health benefits of salmon without the risks, always choose wild-caught varieties and avoid farmed fish whenever possible. Finally, we have artificial sweeteners like aspartame, sucralose, and saccharin. Many people switch to diet sodas and sugar-free products thinking they are making a healthier choice. But artificial sweeteners can actually disrupt gut bacteria, increase cravings for sugary foods, and even lead to metabolic disorders. Some studies suggest that artificial sweeteners may alter the body's ability to regulate blood sugar, which can increase the risk of diabetes. Instead of using artificial sweeteners, try natural alternatives like stevia, monk fruit, or even a small amount of raw honey. So, there you have it, folks. 7 foods that science has proven are harmful to your health. From processed meats to artificial sweeteners, these foods can contribute to serious health issues and should be avoided whenever possible. But don't worry, making better choices doesn't mean you have to sacrifice taste. By choosing whole, natural foods and avoiding heavily processed options, you can protect your body, improve your energy levels, and even extend your lifespan. If you found this information valuable, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Drop a comment below and let us know which of these foods shocked you the most. Are you going to cut any of them out of your diet? Let's start the conversation and help each other live healthier, happier lives. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.